Have you ever wondered why there are mountains or why earthquakes only happen in certain areas? Wonder no more. Earth is made up of three parts: the core, the mantle, and the crust. Today we're going to be learning about the upper part of the mantle and the crust and how they work together to form rift valleys, earthquakes, and mountains. Let's start with a few definitions. The crust is the outermost part of the earth. It's made up of many tectonic plates. Imagine puzzle pieces used to form the crust. Notice how the borders tend to be between oceanic and continental crust? This will be important later. These plates are resting on the asthenosphere, which is the outer layer of the mantle. It is made up of hot melted rock called magma. This magma flows as it heats and cools. The center of the earth is really hot, 108 times hotter than boiling water. This causes the magma to heat up and rise. As it gets further from the core, it starts to cool down and sink. The constant heating and cooling creates a motion that slowly moves the tectonic plates. We are going to use this to visualize how tectonic plates move. There are three different ways they shift: divergent, transform, and convergent. This icing represents magma. The graham crackers are the tectonic plates. When the plates diverge, they are pulled away from each other, and the magma fills in the void, making newly formed crust. The space between the plates is called a rift valley. Plates can also slide past each other, which is called transformation. This is rarely a smooth process and also happens in sudden bursts, causing earthquakes. This is why the boundaries I showed earlier, such as the California coast, experience earthquakes. The third way plates move is convergent. When one plate is oceanic and the other is continental, the oceanic crust, which is denser, will slide under the continental plate, where it melts into magma. Before I show you the second way plates can converge, let me add some brown sugar to visualize the crust. When the plates move together, it squishes the crust together and creates mountains. Now, I hope you have a better understanding of how mountains are formed and what causes earthquakes in certain areas.